Let's talk about the difference between two key apps in the 3D Experience platform, 3DDrive and 3DSpace, and help you decide when to use each. Let's start with 3DDrive. Think of 3Drive like Dropbox or OneDrive. It's a cloud-based storage tool that lets you store, access, and share files from anywhere. You can find 3Drive by clicking on the compass on the top left, expanding My Apps, and locating 3Drive. You can also drag 3Drive into your favorite apps for future quick access. You can upload a file by clicking New and navigating to the file of your choice. Files uploaded will be safe and secure, and best of all, it's perfect for flexible file sharing, especially with external users. But keep in mind that 3Drive doesn't include built-in data management features. So what is 3DSpace? 3DSpace is ideal for internal teams working on projects that require product lifecycle management, like revisions, change orders, and approval workflows. Users can create collaborative spaces and add members so that everyone can work on files that require access control, revision history, maturity states, and file locking to prevent simultaneous edits. Let me show you my personal collaborative space. Within my space, I can quickly add a colleague so that we can both work on the same project and have access to its related files. You can be a part of multiple collaborative spaces, such as this one. Here you can view all the members, and since I created a document called specifications for our particular project, I've went ahead and added it to the space. I can easily take a look at the history of the particular document, and I can track its life cycle and make any changes necessary. Both tools integrate seamlessly with SOLIDWORKS, making it easy to access them within your design environment. Use 3Drive for general collaboration and sharing, whether it's internally or with people outside your organization. Use 3DSpace when you need robust data governance and lifecycle management for your internal engineering workflows. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.